Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to connect Blender with Claude AI using MCP on a Mac. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to generate 3D assets directly inside Blender just by typing prompts, which is honestly pretty amazing. Let's get started, step by step. First things first, we need to install Claude. Open your browser and search for Claude Desktop download. Then download the Mac version. Once it's installed, go ahead and open the app. Now that Claude is open, sign in using your Google account or email. After logging in, you'll land on the main interface, and we're ready for the next step. Next, we need the Blender MCP add-on. Go ahead and search for Blender MCP GitHub and open the repository. Once you're there, find the file called addon.py and download it. We'll use this shortly inside Blender. While you're still on that page, scroll down a bit until you find the UV Package Manager installation guide. Since we're on Mac, copy the Mac command provided there. Now open your terminal, paste the command you just copied, and press Enter. If it asks to update your path, go ahead and follow the instructions. Once everything finishes, type UV. If you see it running, that means the installation worked perfectly. Alright, now let's connect everything together. Go back to the GitHub page and find the section called Claude Desktop Integration. Copy the configuration code provided there. Head back to the Claude app. Go to Settings, Developer, Edit Config. This will open the Claude Desktop GSONC file. Paste the config code inside, then save the file. Now we just need to restart Claude. Close the app completely, then reopen it. At this point, MCP should be available. Let's move over to Blender. Open Blender, go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons. Click Install. Select the addon.py file you downloaded earlier and enable Blender MCP. Now inside Blender, press the N key to open the side panel. Look for the Blender MCP panel and click Start MCP Server. And just like that, Blender is now connected to Claude. Alright, now for the fun part, testing everything. Start by typing, "Please check connection to Blender." This just confirms that everything is working properly. Now let's try generating something. Type, "Create for me a dragon wings for 3D game asset." Claude will generate a set of dragon wings with materials already applied. It looks pretty good, but you'll notice it's missing some important details like bone spines and wing claws. So let's refine it. Next, type, "Please add finger bone spines, wing claws, and vein details. Adjust the pose spread angle." Now Claude updates the model and adds bone spines, wing claws, and even a vein network using smooth Bezier curves. But there's still one issue. The bones aren't mirrored properly. Spines are not mirrored to left side. Claude updates again and fixes the symmetry. At this point, the result looks much better. The structure is more complete, the details are improved, and the symmetry issue is fixed. There are still a couple of things we could improve, like refining the wing shape or adding materials to the bones. I actually plan to keep going, but Claude shows a message saying I've reached the free usage limit and need to upgrade to Pro. So we'll stop here for now. And that's it. You've successfully connected Blender with Claude AI on Mac and created your first AI-generated 3D asset. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.